We're gonna use part of this banana stalk as a plate for the coconut candy to dry.
Hep, hep, hooray! Mana.
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 Mana. Mana is done. This is where all the kids were swimming when it was raining that one day. Since the last time we were here, Beludoy made a badminton net. Or volleyball, whatever you want to use it for. But that's cool. They mowed the grass or got all the tall grass from here too.
Yeah. No more hitchhikers.
Yeah, very cool. And then the other ingredient for the coconut candy is, of course, the coconut. So these older coconuts are good to use for cooking. And there's not a lot of meat in there, so we have to grind it up. And then the newer coconuts are good for like eating and for the juice.
And the next is we have sugar.
And then we have brown sugar. So there's only 2 ingredients for this coconut candy. It's coconut and then brown sugar. Michael's doing the kud. Horseback ride. Alright, Michael did a great job at shredding the coconut.
So 3 cups of water.
3 cups of water, okay.
1, 2, 3. No. Parang gamay na.
I did wash my hands.
Squeeze and put that one here, except the juice. Smaller.
Smaller?
Okay. Milk. Uy! Next month, that rooster will lay egg.
So we're gonna cook that until it gets sticky and yellowish. And that's just the juice from the leftover coconut meat. Mixed with a little bit of water. The cow came to say hello. Look at that spatula. Very nice. Alright, now is the brown sugar. So this is a little similar to bakayo that we made at Jerome's house.
Just the ingredients. It's also, that one's also coconut and sugar.
Yeah, coconut and sugar. Very similar.
But that one is the meat, but this one is the juice.
Yeah, but we're gonna add the meat later, right?
No.
Or no? Okay, so we're not gonna add the meat at all. Okay. So I guess that's the one big difference. We're not adding the meat at all here. And the other one we added the meat. So this is just the juice and then brown sugar.
And then the bukayo is the meat and the brown sugar.
Okay.
It's getting hot in here.
So
Take away your sleeper.
you can smell the brown sugar and the coconut. It smells good. It's a hot job. It's good to keep taking turns. It's nice to have a lot of people here. We can keep rotating. This is probably the longest process of the whole procedure. Is stirring and wait until it gets sticky. It's getting close. It's almost there. Alright, I think it's finished. The next step, we're just gonna let this dry.
Di mo kadaot. Agay! Later. Boy, sabi.
A guy is ouch.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's already starting to get hard.
Alis. Wow. Let it dry. Let it go. I can't do this anymore. Let it dry.
Today's lunch is sardines with some rice. All right, we have our spoons. Now it's time to eat. It's hard. All right.
Wow, B. Ay, kasi day.
How is it?
Not yet.
Wow, that's a big piece. Good?
Oh, lo.
Oh, here it goes.
Wala ka kutsara day.
Ikaw gabali sa amo mi, di ba? Kabawi. Pwede ba tanda rin?
Gahi ayo asa ko day.
This might take a while.
Ano gahi kay
It's
do.
a big coconut.
Huh?
It's a big coconut baby.
Gahi kayo.
Ay, pag i-slice to daan,
Yeah, if you guys are trying this at home, you probably want to slice it before it gets too hard to get it into pieces better. Once it dries, it's really hard to get it apart.
Kukti ba?
May pa kang may
Gigi.
Kainit.
Gahi kayo te. Di dini ha.
Huh?
Oh.
Kutsilyo.
Candy.
Kutsilyo.
Gipon mo candy.
May pag-slice daan.
Bahay kayo? Wala mo bahay kayo?
Sundaan.
You try.
All right, so it is hard. That's a big piece. I don't think I'll eat this all.
Lick it.
Mmm. That is good.
Not good. Like this.
So it's like a hard candy. Wow. Ooh. I bet we can get on a plate and just crack it open. Get a hammer. When you get to the end pieces, it's hard enough where you can crack it or chew it and crunch it. But right now, the middle part is still a little warm and really, really sticky. It's really hard to get it apart. Once it hardens, it's crunchy. And you can probably just crack it apart when it gets hard enough. But we didn't want to wait until it got hard enough. Everyone's ready to eat right now.
Si Jine. Lami si Jine. Lami? Day. Pangon ka. Ayo, Bibi.
Whoa! Where'd that come from? I think we need our helmets. We have flying candy. It reminds me of toffee a little bit. Have you had toffee?
Yeah.
It reminds me of that. You had toffee?
No.
No.
Coffee.
Oh, coffee. So if you had candy wrappers and if you wanted to do this to sell it or something, you can get the wrappers, put like a spoonful before it gets too dry, before it gets hard. Then you can wrap that up, and once it dries, you can save it for later, or you can easy to store it too. You can just have one piece at a time.
Put in your pocket and eat later.
Yeah. Or if you wanted to sell it. Yeah.
In school also.
But this is only 2 ingredients: there's brown sugar and then the juice from the coconut. So very simple and very delicious. The good thing about candy like this is it'll last a long time because you're pretty much just like sucking on it. It's like a hard candy. It takes a long time to eat.
This is the biggest candy ever.
Yeah. Pull, pull, pull. Keep turning.
Oh, burang nagsahoy. Lami, dada ka. You'll never be hungry for 1 week.
Yeah.
You just
Really? Yeah.
kids like cake. Where are they? We will let them taste it.
Yeah, where'd they go?
Look at. No more bring house.
Wow.
Dustin.
Man, it's a messy treat, but it's worth it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That's a pretty simple treat to make and really delicious. Perfect little piece of toffee or candy. So I think we're gonna finish these up and then we might play some badminton later on Bluto's new net. And we'll see you guys later.
Bye-bye.
Oh, there goes the frisbee. What is it? What is it?
Buster! Stop, Bernie! I'm waiting!